Have you ever wanted to earn cryptocurrency without spending money? In this video, I will show you how to get free crypto in 2025. No investment, no mining, and no trading required. Let's begin with method number 1, airdrops. Some new crypto projects give away free tokens to early users. Visit websites like CoinMarket, Cap Airdrop, or airdrops.io. All you need is a wallet and a Twitter or Telegram account. Now, method number 2, play to earn apps. Use apps like Sweatcoin or Walkin. You earn tokens just by walking or moving. Simple and passive way to build your crypto bag. Number 3, faucets and microtasks. Websites like Free Bitcoin or CoinPayU give you small amounts of crypto for watching ads or completing tasks. Not much, but it adds up over time. Bonus tip: if you collect some free crypto, you can stake it in wallets like Trust Wallet or Coinbase and earn more without doing anything. Warning: never pay for free crypto. Always use trusted platforms and secure your wallet. This is the Earnverse, your smart space for online earning and crypto freedom.